We are told two smaller semicircles of radius 5 centimeters each are joined by two larger semicircles of radius 10 centimeters each. This is a cool looking design. This is a semicircle of 5 centimeters radius, and then a semicircle of 10 centimeters, and then a semicircle of 5 centimeters, and then a semicircle of 10 centimeters. Find the exact perimeter of the shape. So pause this video, have a go at this before we do it together. All right, so we really just want to figure out all of the lengths of everything that we see drawn here. And one simplification is, if we want to find this length right over here, we could add this to this, because these two semicircles combined form a whole circle. So they form a whole circle with a radius of 10 centimeters. And then we could do that for the two smaller semicircles as well. If we take this semicircle with radius 5 centimeters and add it to this semicircle of radius 5 centimeters, well, then we just get a whole circle of radius of 5 centimeters. So really, if we just find the perimeter of this and add it to the perimeter of this, then we have the perimeter of this entire shape, this weird looking, wavy looking thing. So what's the perimeter here? We know, or I should say the circumference, because if the perimeter of the circle we say is circumference. So circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius. Well, in this case, it's going to be 2 times pi times 10, which is equal to 20 pi centimeters. And in this situation right over here, it's going to be equal to 2 times pi times 5, which is equal to 10 pi centimeters. And so if we were to add these two things together, 20 pi centimeters plus 10 pi centimeters, to get the total of everything here, we get 30 pi centimeters. And we're done.